Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Chrome with an Incognito window open. This mode prevents local history, but doesn't make you invisible. First, identify the Incognito window by its darker color and the hat and glasses icon at the corner. Once done, check every tab inside that window for unsaved forms or downloads. Make sure to save or copy important content because closing the window will end those sessions. This step prevents data loss and sets you up to fully exit Incognito mode safely. Now close Incognito windows to turn off private browsing. This is the direct action that ends the session and clears local cookies. You can click the X on the window frame or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+W on Windows/Linux or CMD+Shift+W on Mac. Both close the entire Incognito window and all its tabs at once. After closing, open a regular Chrome window to continue browsing with history and extensions active. Make sure downloads you need were saved to a persistent folder. Finally, verify you're out of Incognito. Open a new window and look for the normal light theme and your profile icon. That confirms regular mode. If Chrome keeps opening in Incognito, make sure no startup settings, extensions, or enterprise policies force private browsing. These can override your actions. As a quick fix, restart Chrome, disable suspect extensions, or check settings on startup. If problems persist, restart your computer. That often clears stuck processes and returns Chrome to normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.